Mercedes EQ service light reset. Bonnet and door shut, pedals off. So I'm going to go one press, ignition, position 1. Make sure you're on the trip menu. We're using the right hand buttons. Press and hold home for 10 seconds. Don't worry that the menu changes. After this, within 1 second, I'm going to move to the OK button without touching the other buttons. So off and then on, OK. Got to hold this again for at least 10 seconds. Then you have the service menu. So you can scroll through, you can reset your brakes from here. You can reset your wipers as well. So into service assist, and from there you can reset your menu.